again. Me never want this love and Lord, thank you, Jesus. We can't know one kiss. But we are doing it. What you do yourself? Who's she?
I'm a friend.
Your friend? Hey, my girl, how we are talk to?
My girl, I'm not
what you do with him?
So, oh, you tell me, say, you know, I'm not man, you have me for
I'm a friend. They never tell him, say you're married. They never tell her.
I make this a little man, come and ask me about who me, you don't know
Imagine,
me.
hey, my girl.
My girl, I'm afraid of you, my girl, I'm afraid of you. If you want me, can't do that.
No bother with that man. 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 No man. Come in, no man. No him, no man. No, the work this boy, man. You better than that, man. The work this boy, man.
Me let me sick mother. Me let me sick mother to get in care eye for my mother. She have heart problem, liver problem, all kind of problem.
Oh,
He
it's
left him
boy,
alone.
man.
He left her alone. Come back here, son, man. Come back here, son. Come back
Yes,
here,
come in, no man. Come in, no man.
You left my mother in her house, the boy. You know, say, hold it, I got you here.
Come in, man. No what that, man. No what that. No what that.
Hold it, I got you. Imagine saying, 6 years in a prison, 6 years. 6 years.
Yes, come in, no man. Come in, no man. No what
The
that.
wall it down for you when you get jail. I do this.
You don't that.
I
Don't
one
it
time.
for
You give
them.
me ball and one time.
Don't big on that, man. Don't that, man. Don't
More
that.
than
Don't
one
that.
time.
Don't that, man. Sis, know him, man. Know him. Run, my youth, run.
Go on, babes.
What you mean? Come in now, come in. I mean, everything good. Come in now. Yeah, you better take off your shoes, but have time to that. Bad father. What you mean? Yeah. What you mean? Everything good, man. You look good too, huh? What you mean? What you mean? Well planned up and thing, baby. Well planned up. You can't wait, man. Can't bother with you for a long time. But him not there, I not have no man. That the man they give me too much bun, man. Yo, the man cheat for me. He cheat for me day old. Nothing wrong if you do it quick, man. Yeah. Yeah, get it, yeah. You can't bother him. Boy, your body look good in 6-pack and tea.
Happy angel, the one.
Angel? I'm the Angel. But I want to go on.
Me and him left.
Yo, Angel.
Why you for? And last week you give me ball. And last week you cheat for me. Me and left, man. Just come out and let me and back up on
Yo, Rasta. Yo, me know why you get differently in my Angel argument still, you know. And that me I tell you still, you know. I see Angel with manual on the bed and them kind of
Wait,
weird.
Jimmy, tell them doing them thing here, no, man.
Yo, first, I eat that thing she doing now. You know see? Yo, me come in here and say the woman all a cheat for me and them kind of way. Them don't know what that for.
Yeah, man.
What kind of thing that?
Boy, me talk to Angel and she nah, you know, stop till you kill one another.
Yo, that boy they were just, who that boy them? Who I know that boy they know?
You know.
Come here, go damage the Rasta boy.
From what
they
I hear about him, I
You know,
didn't even know him, you know.
Yo, you know see me have the best of the Rasta while ago. Yo, it's like, yo, me not
Yo,
even
me
know.
virgin, I don't want nothing to you, no, man. A long time I have her, you know. So, you what? Boy, you talk to Angel, and me bring her to
Yo,
a
me don't know
counsel.
if we can talk to her still, you know.
We have a nice counsel lady, man. She will counsel, you know. See?
Yo.
So, you just talk to her and link me. Link me a little more, man. And me bring her to her. See?
Yo, I'm going to talk to her and see what she has
that's
say,
cool,
now.
though. So, little more, you're virgin.
Yo,
Nobody make that
Yo,
get to you,
talk
man.
to
That's
her
simple,
for me,
you know.
you know.
Yeah, man. You talk.
alright, my bitch.
Alright.
I'm glad to hear your voice, you know. Hey, Babu Bear. Yeah, I'm alright, but boy, you know I love you, do. I'm like you beat up the boy with the you know, cause a long time he forget a piece of ass. Yo, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Eh? Yeah. You understand, bad Bobo. I'm sorry about that still, you know. I'm sorry about what happened with the and the fight and thing, you know. Yo, just as we're about to get it going on, you know. Boy, I mean, the well want to start out, you know. Boy, I mean, tell you, yo, me want you come check me again, you know. I'm in a business with him, you know. You know, I'm a businessman when he want to say, I'm tired, you can't bother.
Angel,
Take
you
some
still
of
on
the
the phone. How that?
Look here,
Angel,
look, just avoid me now.
Allow me now with this. You are Angel man this you know. Yo brother, I'm not tell you say, yo don't call me woman you know, yo when me and you meet again. Yo Rasta, you done, yo, me I go pay. Yo, as a matter of fact, me not think I want to hear nothing more in a Rasta boy, cause when me and you buck, you know, a problem, you know, yo.
Yo, me tell you if you done them, yo, where you do it before, me tell you, yo, give me my phone, man. Give me my phone.
Yo, Angel.
Yo,
make me tell you something. Yo, you can't keep up them foolishness, you know.
Where you talk about? Where you talk about foolishness?
Yo,
Angel.
You did a cheap
Yo, now, what, man?
You want to when you
I'm
cheap
still in an argument business, man. I'm talking to nobody, I'm
Yo,
not here,
me
man.
can't take it no more, because I'm more than one time, and then him see me with my friend. Me and
Yeah,
my
what
friend
now?
just sit down and talk, and him come and bust fight, big fights now.
Alright,
And I
yeah,
just
what,
last
what?
week,
Yeah, what, what?
same one, give me
You know
ball.
what, Angel?
Don't take
I the
it
counsel
down.
me come
you
to bring
bring
on you,
one in my
See,
house.
I the counsel me come to bring on. So what on the pan? You know what you are the counsel?
Yo, Angel, me want you guard the counselor, you know.
Girl, which goes?
Once-
Brother, are you ready for that counselor?
Yo, me love you, you know, baby.
Yeah, what? Come me bring on to the counsel.
Yo.
Cause I counsel me
Baby,
come to
me try
carry
to
me.
make up this, you know.
I want to work it
Why
out. Cause you know
guard
the
the
thing.
counselor?
A long time I talk to
Go for
me.
the counselor
I'm
and
not
see
here.
what-
You don't know why I see the more can't take counsel. See?
It can't hurt just to go for the
Can't
counselor
be
and see
cheap,
what-
yo.
Angel, just come and check it out, man. Just check it out and see what. You hear what she have to say, man?
Yo, come
I
on,
work
go
it
for
out.
it.
Come in.
Alright.
Miss Thompson. What go on, man? Long time I see you now. Yeah, alright, everything up. You know, say me have two friends and me carry come to see you. Cause from what day I just pay argument with my sister and him husband, I pay fight and things so. More you talk to them and see what go on. Let them explain themselves and tell you what go on and see if I can help you. See?
Okay.
So Angel,
Yeah.
yeah. Meet Miss Thompson and make she see if she can help you and work it out. Cause I'm tired of it.
Keisha. I'm Miss Keisha. Nice meeting you. I wish I could smell it.
Yeah.
Hi, nice meeting you. So, how may I help you now?
Right now, maybe just keep your arm over this. I mean, right now, I'm stressed out, I'm depressed. Right now, I think I'm half mad. You understand? It's hard to say, but I saw. Because of the man, yeah. Look, look here, just, yo, let me talk, man.
That's not the time because I want to hear the part.
Miss, may I tell you, say, the guy house this morning and or this evening, me got the door go knock. Angel and my girlfriend. I mean,
Yeah.
Angel there for over 6 years
Yes, sir.
and them kind of weird that. And it's like me go to her house and me see Monday at the house and them kind of way there.
Only that's your talk about. What happened to you? What happened to you? Last week you give me bone with girl. Listen, me
Angel, I'm a friend.
I am coming from work, me a nurse. Listen, me a good registered nurse. I come from work with DM. And when me look at him and one girl, me see a up a pass me. Out of my house now. Yo, me and them bust a piece of fight. Oh, you mean, but your friend? First thing the girl say, oh you, when him say, Angel, I just my friend. The same girl say, oh, you this say you don't have nobody. You understand?
Tell us I'm a friend, Angel.
Miss?
So why? So you seen with a girl last week walking, and then you know
Yes.
do back the same thing
Because
to him.
two can play that game.
No, but if you see him, no, but listen me, please. If you see him do a thing, like you see him give your bone, you shouldn't follow him and do the same thing. You should show him. No, you shouldn't follow him and do the same thing.
You're not talk proper, you know. You're not talk straight.
Angel, listen
You
to the
know,
woman
But
now.
I'm a counselor. I should give you the right thing. I should tell you the right thing. I shouldn't
know
tell
that
you the
part.
wrong. No, I never say it's your fault. I didn't say it's your fault. I'm just being a counselor. I'm just giving you the right. So you must live good.
We live good, but
hard.
you have man.
Miss, can I talk this? Just stop it about me have man, because you have a man. Listen now. At 6 years in a prison, 6 years me hold him down for. You understand? Me put money for him book, me put money in an account. You understand? Me write him love letter. You understand? Me write him poetry, me write him book. You understand? Me come every visit and me alone did it. None of them bitch them never dead there.
And when
You
him come out,
understand?
he might give you a bone after.
Yes, and then I first him do it.
I'm
Do
a
it
friend.
already. And everybody
like
is
I'm a
friend.
friend.
Everybody is in friend. He hurting. Right?
No, but you shouldn't do that, sir. You should have respect for her because she do a lot of things for you, and then that's how you pay her back in the end. That's how
No.
you pay her back.
I was walking with my friend and she attacked me.
Me attack you.
She attack
She
you.
attacked me.
And
The
do
lady
what?
is crazy. She needs some
Oh my
counseling.
God. Me crazy. Eh?
No, you guys must live good. When our husband and wife are girlfriend and boyfriend, you should be married. So you married and live in this one, you must live good. Remember now, you go in front the pastor and you said until death do you guys part. So you should live good. You should
They
live
take it
good.
to work more, they do it for me. No, they do it for until love find fault to me, miss. That is what I say.
So we are saying, Angel.
You're
You
no
must
kid.
live good. As a counselor, I'm telling you, please live good. No more bunny. You live who you have. Leave that guy who you have. You leave the lady you have. And the two are gonna go together and you live good. When you live good, when you get kids, you get kids from her and she.
Yes, we have 2 children.
Okay, so remember now, is your kids that you are showing examples, so you can teach them that they must go out and have man or girlfriend or boyfriend or give bun. When you're married, so you have to do the right thing, show them the right thing, teach them the right thing. So you have to live good as one within the kids and live good as a family, no bun. That is before you're married, you must give bun, but after, before you're married, you could do that,
never
but
me, I give the bun
after,
and she-
So good.
eh,
You like that
before
part
you're
there?
married, you could do
Before
all
we
those
married,
things.
we could have given bun.
But
They
now
want
when
to
you're married,
nothing
you-
wrong with it.
eh,
Just
you
because you
live
put a piece
good.
of wire for your
Angel, stop talking them things.
just because you put a piece of wire don't mean nothing until love find fault.
You know, live good, man. As a counselor, I'm telling you guys, go home and make up. Go home and make up and live good. Okay? You know,
Alright.
promise me that you're not going home to live
Alright,
good.
this is just to respect you. I talk to him good and all these things, miss. I am going to give him one last chance. And any him shake up this time, remember that it is over. Okay?
What do you
Over.
say? What do
Divorce.
you have to
Done.
say?
I agree with what she said.
Okay, so you promise me that you're not going home to live good.
Yes, we're going to work it out.
Okay. Nice meeting you again, miss. Live
Alright.
good.
Yeah, thank
Nice
you.
meeting you again, sir. Live good.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, work it out, Angel.
Oh, go before the leave, yeah. Oh, go good. Go home and live good now, okay? Enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you.
Okay, alright.
So love me shouldn't fall in a hit. No, it seems like me fall in a pit. In love, but my heart's a broken. Say you only need one night You never plan to stay so long. Thought you was the one, but now me understand. No, say me faith was wrong. You break me heart, so you do it again. Me never want this love end. You break me heart, so you do it again. And you me call me best friend. Remember the times when you used to bring me round. And now we have a little argument. You stop bring me out. Me never know you woulda deal with me so. Break me heart, me go all out for you. In love, say you never did now. Cause a one night stand you did a look for. Me believe in a love at first sight, but now you pull me up a brass bite. In a dark I was a flashlight, but now you left me at the stoplight. Me heart, say you do it again. Me never want this love end. You break me heart, say you do it again. Me think me and you was friends. Remember the times when you used to bring me round. And now we have a little argument, you stop bring me out. Me can't take the pressure, can't take the pain, can't take the way you talk to me these days. Give me sweet love, mash up my brain. Your love so confusing, babe, what you saying? Say you not leave, your love must remain. For me, you left a mark, me tattoo all your name. You hurt me inside, still me ignore the pain. Think you woulda changed, but you do it again. You break me heart, and you do it again. Me never want this love end. You break me heart, and you do it again. And you me call me best friend. Remember the times when you used to bring me round. And now we have a little argument, you stop bring me out. Yeah, me never know you woulda deal with me so. Break me heart, me go all out for you. In love, say you never did now. Cause I want